Rains are just slowing down, so now's our time to go feed. Here we go. We usually try to do this on sunny afternoons, not necessarily the midst of a monsoon. But hey, gotta do it rain or shine, right? Look at that. Pig, pig, pig. Pig, pig, pig. Hey, pig. Can you blame them? What's this? The bowls are probably filled with water. Dump that. Here he comes. Pig, 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 pig. There he is. And here comes the others. Here they come. Rain or shine, they don't care. Supper time. See where the sheep are tonight. I always like to check. Just make sure that they got in. Look at the wind. It's coming. Wow! Tornado! Got mostly everything done. Couldn't have the camera on, downpour. Trudging back to the house now. Wow, what a storm.